Hi, I'm Rajesh Pania. I'm an English trainer at IELTS Icon, and today we are going to talk about, I'm going to teach you a very simple, very basic, but very, very important topic, how to use is, am, are. So first of all, I'll teach you the use of is, how we can use is, and it will be very, very helpful not only in your grammar skill but in your speaking skills. When you can make lot of sentences using is, am, are. So first of all, let me tell you use of is. You can use is with he, like he is, with she, like she is, with it, like it is, with singular subject, like my mother is, my father is, my brother is. Okay, that is okay in writing. You can write he is, but you should use short form while speaking. Short form, like in spite of using he is, you should say he is, his, she's, its, my mother's, my father's. And in negative form, you should say he's not, she's not, it's not, my mother's not, my father's not. So it's very, very important and very good to use short form while speaking when you want to speak fluent English. It's very, very important. So let me tell you some usage of is. For example, he is my father, he is my brother, he is my cousin, he is a doctor, he is an engineer, he is a shopkeeper, he is a lawyer, or you can use like she is my mother, she is my sister, she is my cousin, she is my aunt. Aunt mean your mother or your father, sister. You can use aunt for your mother or your father, sister. Okay, you can use it with weather as well, like it's hot today, turn the fan on please, it's hot, it's burning hot, mean very, very hot, it's unbearable hot. So you can use you can use like it's sunny today, it's cloudy, it's mild weather. Mild mean not so hot and not so cold. We say it mild, M-I-L-D, mild weather. So it's very, very good. And we can also use it for time, like it's 5 o'clock, it's 5:30, it's 6:45. So I'll tell you in my another lesson about this one, like how to say 1/2 or 1/4 to, 1/4, all these things. Right. And another kind of use, let me tell you, like India is a big country, or India is a democratic country, you can use. Or Haryana is very nice state, or people of Haryana, like R, that is for R. But Haryana is very nice state, you can visit over there. Today, it's Friday, you can talk about any day. So that's how you can use it. It's very simple and very effective. So you can make a lot of sentences using it. Now I'm going to tell you how you can make different kind of sentences using am. A lot of sentences by using just am. For example, I'm an English trainer. I'm not an engineer. Positive and negative. Am mean I am. I'm not mean I am not, mean I'm not. You should use short form while speaking. I advise my students to use short form in speaking because it is very good way to show your fluency, and it will boost your confidence even. So another way of using am is like I'm very excited to teach you, I'm very excited to be here. I'm very happy to be here, or I'm very happy to teach you. Moreover, we can use like I'm interested in watching videos. I'm interested in watching videos. I'm not interested in politics because I don't like. I think that politics is a dirty game. So you can use I'm not interested in politics, or I'm interested in watching videos. Or you can say like I'm Indian, I'm not British, or I'm not Australian, I'm not Canadian. Okay, and I'm an obedient student. Obedient means you follow the advice or suggestions of your teachers, or you can also say I'm an obedient child of my parents. Again, obedient means you are following advice, suggestions, or even order of your parents. I mean, obedient, it's a very good word, you can use it. Another way of using am is like I'm afraid of lizard, or I'm afraid of snakes, I'm afraid of maybe lions, I'm afraid of dogs, afraid of. We never use afraid from. Afraid of means darna in Hindi. Okay, another good use of am is like I'm still at work. I'm still mean abhi bhi. I'm still at work. At work mean in office. Mean I'm still at work. It's very good. Or I'm still at the institute. Means suppose your parents call you. Where are you? So you can say I'm still in the institute, or I'm still at the institute. It's very good use. And another way of using way is I'm sorry to hear that. Mean if you hear some unpleasant news or some bad news from anybody else, then you can say, like suppose your friend or anybody else or relative say, somebody passed away 2 hours ago. Somebody passed away mean died. Don't think in Hindi like pass, pass ho gaya, say congratulations. So don't say congratulations, because passed away mean died. It's not good news, it's bad news. So you can say I'm sorry to hear that. It's very good. Or like suppose unfortunately your friend failed his exam, then he will tell you like I failed my exam. Then you can say, oh, sorry to hear that, but it's not the end of the world. You can encourage him by using that sort of things. So that's how you can use am. And I have made, I think, lot of sentences, and you have lot of things, lot of sentences. So you will boost up your confidence. You will feel confident while using all these things. So it will be very, very helpful for you, for your English. So that's how you can use am. Now I'm going to tell you how you can use are. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how we can make lot of sentences using are. Okay, we use are with you, like you are. With we are. With they are. Or with plural subject. Plural means more than one. Like my parents are, or my grandparents are, my neighbors are. Or in short form you can say you are, they are, we are, my parents are, my neighbors are. Or in negative form you can say you are not, we are not, they are not, my parents aren't. Aren't mean are not. In short form I'm using over here. So you can make a lot of sentences using are. And some of the important sentences that we use for you, that is like you are my best friend, or you are my best pal. Pal means friend. You are my best pal, but it's informal word, but it's very good in speaking. You can use, yeah, you are my best pal. Let me hug you. You are my best pal, or you are my best friend. Okay, and then you are good tennis player, you can say. Or you are such a nice guy. Such a nice guy means such a nice person. Or you can use sir, you are my inspiration. You can use for me if you think so. Or you are my inspiration. Inspiration means I inspire you. Whenever you see me, you want to speak like me. I am your inspiration. You are my inspiration. Or like I can say for APJ Abdul Kalam or for Swami Vivekananda ji, that they are my inspiration. They are my inspiration. Okay, and another sentences you can make like we are Indian, we aren't British. We are Indian, we aren't British. Or we aren't Australian, we aren't Canadian. We are just Indian. And another sentence which is I think very, very important, that is like we are still at the party. Still abhi bhi, and it's very good. Like we are still at the party. It's very good. And you can also use that my friend and I, good tennis player, are very good cricketer, and we are live wire. Live wire means very active and energetic. So you can make lot of sentences using are. Or one more very important sentence you can speak about your parents. Like my parents are very caring, they are very cooperative, they are very loving, or they are proactive, they aren't lazy at all, right? So that kind of thing, that kind of sentence you can make. So I hope you have liked my videos, and it was I think very easy, very helpful. And if you want me to be your trainer, if you want me to be your friend, if you want me to have with you all the time, you have to do just one thing, which is very, very simple. You need to do so that I can access to you, so that I can reach to you, so that I can help you out the best way I can. One thing, just subscribe my channel or press bell icon, and please don't forget to comment and don't forget to share, so that these videos or my videos can reach to every corner of the world, maybe, or everywhere where people are crazy about English, where they want to learn but they are not having good trainers, they are not having native like speaker, they are not having the proper facilities. So it will be very, very helpful for those people who are crazy, who want to learn English. So thank you very much for today. Have a good day.